Imagine a world where some of the fastest, most powerful GT cars battled on legendary circuits, driven by the best in motorsport. This was the FIA GT Championship, an era of high-speed drama and engineering excellence. But what led to its rise and eventual fall? Let's dive in. In 1997, the FIA GT Championship was born, replacing the BPR Global GT Series. Organized by the FIA, it quickly became the premier stage for GT1 and GT2 cars. Big names like Porsche, McLaren, and Mercedes-Benz brought their most advanced machines, pushing the limits of performance. The championship visited world-famous tracks like Monza, Silverstone, and Spa-Francorchamps, thrilling fans across the globe. The late 90s were a golden era for FIA GT. Manufacturers heavily invested in GT1 supercars, leading to some of the most extreme race cars ever built, like the Mercedes CLK GTR and Porsche 911 GT1. These beasts weren't just fast, they blurred the line between road and race cars. The competition was fierce, and endurance races became true tests of speed and reliability. But dominance came at a cost. By 1999, costs skyrocketed, and manufacturers pulled out, forcing FIA GT to drop the GT1 category. The focus shifted to GT2, later rebranded as GT1 and GT3 in the 2000s. While the racing remained exciting, it lacked the factory-backed intensity of its early years. In 2010, the FIA GT1 World Championship was introduced, aiming to revive GT1 competition. However, with rising costs and limited manufacturer involvement, it lasted only 3 seasons. The FIA GT Series ultimately transformed into the Blancpain GT Series, now known as the GT World Challenge, shifting the focus to customer racing. The FIA GT Championship may be gone, but its legacy lives on. It set the foundation for modern GT racing, influencing today's endurance series like the World Endurance Championship and IMSA. It was a time when GT racing was at its peak, pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation. And for motorsport fans, it remains an unforgettable chapter in racing history. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite FIA GT moment. Until next time, keep racing.